Greetings to the moto vlogging community and fellow YouTubers. Triketacular here. Yes, it is Triketacular. How do you like my new ride? This is my new motorcycle, a 2015 Yamaha FJR ES model that I recently purchased. So I've traded in Skylark, my dear Skylark, which was my pre-owned 2010 Suzuki Boulevard C50T. But I just became so enamored with the Yamaha FJR, doing some demo rides on it. I've done 3 demo rides on it in the last 2 years, and it's such a smooth riding motorcycle. The reviews you read up on it, it's always near the top of the class in the sport touring model. And it was a leftover model that the dealership had, the 2015, but it only had 5 kilometers on it. It's brand new. Those kilometers were put on by the dealership doing the pre-delivery inspection. So it's been quite an exciting few days for my wife and I, going 3 days in a row to the dealership and just trying to negotiate the best price you can get. It's all black color with a bit of gray in the fairings. I was never that keen on black, but lately it's kind of growing on me. I'm gonna have to go through here as that light is not turning green. I don't care to do that, but sometimes that sensor, as you know, it just will not turn green from red. I've usually not had any trouble with it in the past with my Suzuki Boulevard. So anyways, there's a few other items I have to go back to the dealership and have them complete. I've ordered a pair of fairing protectors, which are supposed to protect the fairing if the motorcycle happens to tip over, as well as protect the saddlebags. The matching black saddlebags, for some reason, were not at the dealership. They had a pair of rather light gray ones that they offered for me. The fellow I was dealing with said that they looked pretty sharp. He thought the contrast of a kind of a medium gray against black. He held them against the side of the motorcycle where the saddlebags would go. My wife thought they looked pretty neat, but there again, it's not a real match, so I said I'm going to go with the black saddlebags, so it'll take a couple of days for them to order them in. And then to me, it's more of an even matching color combination. So this is basically my inaugural run today. I've just brought it home from the dealership a few days ago. and we've been having rain and showers. There were slight showers this morning and then it eased up, so I thought I'll try and get out for a little ride. Oh yes, also they were going to put a battery tender on it for me. I had a whole list in my notebook of questions to ask them, and as the salesman was giving me a rundown on the controls and what have you, I asked, where is the cord to plug in the battery tender? And surprisingly, he said it doesn't come with that. That's an extra item. And I said, oh, well, my 2010 Suzuki Boulevard had the battery tender cord to it. And he said, well, they don't come with it either. The previous owner must have installed it. So I learned something there. But they've been very good to me at our local Yamaha dealership. He said that when I bring the bike in to get the saddlebags and the fairing protectors put on, they'll install the battery tender cord at no charge. No labor, and not even charge me for the cord itself. So I thought that was pretty good. Still working on the controls here, figuring them all out. There's quite a lot of different modes. You can go into the touring mode or a sport mode. The windshield, of course, goes up or down. It's an electronic windshield. It has cruise control, heated grips. So I've figured out those two items. And this is the ES model, they call it, which is for the electronic suspension. I haven't quite figured that out, but just with the push of your button you can adjust the suspension for different settings, whether you're riding solo, two up, solo with luggage, two up with luggage. This Yamaha FJR 1300, I will be riding it just solo, as I did my Suzuki Boulevard. I didn't take my wife along on it. We still have Dusty. We're not getting rid of Dusty. That's my 2014 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra Classic, and that is the motorcycle that we use for riding two up and really enjoy it. So I'd like to thank you for coming along with me on this inaugural run. On my brand new 2015 Yamaha FJR 1300. Bit of gravel here, always on that road corner. Yes, this is 2016 when I am doing this moto vlog, but this is a leftover brand new 2015 model that was still on the dealership floor. A special thank you to my subscribers. I hope you're able to get out and ride in the area in which you live. So until next time, take care and ride safe. Bye-bye.